We are describing fourth lesson of geography, climate. Earlier, we discussed about the elements and factors that affect the climate of India. Now, Indian monsoon. As earlier also we discussed, India lies in monsoon climatic region. What is monsoon? Seasonal reversal of wind direction that is known as monsoon. The climate of India is strongly affected by the monsoon winds. Now, what is the mechanism of monsoon? The mechanism of monsoon that is based upon so many facts. As earlier also we discussed, the main influence of monsoon is between 10 degree north to 20 degree north latitude and 10 degree south to 20 degree south latitude. So it means between 10 degree to 20 degree north and south we have main effect of monsoon. Now, on which facts the mechanism of monsoon depends? First fact is that the differential heating and cooling of land and water. It means the nature of cooling and heating of land and water is different. The water takes more time for heating as well as cooling, but land that gets quickly heated and quickly cooled down. So that also responsible to give rise to monsoon in India. Next, ITCZ. Shift of the position of ITCZ, intertropical convergence zone. ITCZ means the place where we have lowest atmospheric pressure. During the summer season in our Ganga plain or North plain, we have ITCZ. That also responsible to originate or to bring the monsoon in India. Third, the presence of high pressure area east of Madagascar, nearly at 20 degrees south over the Indian Ocean. Fourth, Tibetan Plateau. That is the highest plateau of the world. Tibetan Plateau gets intensely heated during the summer season. So, due to more heat, that give rise to strong vertical air current. It means from the Tibetan Plateau, the winds become very warm and they start to go upward. That is known as vertical air current. The movement of westerly jet streams to the north of Himalaya and tropical easterly jet streams over the Indian peninsula. Earlier also we discussed jet streams. Jet streams are high-speed winds and they divided into two branches. One is the westerly jet stream, second easterly jet stream. Westerly jet streams they blow in the north of Himalayas and easterly jet streams they blow in South India or Indian peninsula. After this we will discuss beginning of monsoon. The duration of monsoon season is near about 100 to 120 days from early June to mid-September. At present also, now what type of season is going on? That is the monsoon season. And the monsoon season, in this the rainfall decent. But generally there are breaks in the monsoon. Breaks in the monsoon means there are the dry and wet spell. It means when the rainfall occurs, that is the wet spell, and when there is no rainfall, that is the dry spell. But sometimes we have know about the cloud burst also. Cloud burst means when in any area suddenly heavy rainfall occurs, and that gives rise to so many problems that mainly responsible for the loss of life and property. In India, the monsoon arrives in the first week of June. Now we will discuss about the onset or beginning of monsoon in India. As we know, monsoon that arise from Indian Ocean. After this, it got divided into two branches. First branch, Arabian Sea branch, and second, Bay of Bengal branch. So now, how these branches reach to India? Arabian Sea branch first reach towards the Western Ghats. For example, it reaches in Mumbai in the first week of June. First of all, it reaches in Kerala near about on the 1st June. After this, up to 10th June, it reaches Mumbai. So there is the rapid advance of the monsoon in this area. And second branch, that is Bay of Bengal branch. Bay of Bengal branch directly enters in northeastern states of India, and in the northeastern states such as Assam, Meghalaya, in these areas, in the first week of June, there is heavy rainfall. After this, these two branches move towards Ganga plain, and in Ganga plain, both branches merge together. But even after this, they are responsible for the less rainfall. Why? Because when the monsoon reaches up to Ganga plain, it has less amount of moisture. Most of the moisture that lay out in the Western Ghat area as well as northeastern states of India. After onset of monsoon, we will discuss about the offset of monsoon or end of monsoon. It means withdrawal or retreat of monsoon also. So how monsoon start to retreat in India? We will study this in the retreating monsoon season also. Now, what is the withdrawal or retreat of the monsoon? Then the monsoon will start to retreat or start to go back from India. That is the retreat of monsoon. By the mid-October, generally it retreats from North India. The retreat sometimes starts in September or sometime in October, and first of all it withdraws from North Plain. After this, it withdrawn from the peninsular India also. And by the early December, generally the monsoon completely withdrawn from our country.